जोर से कर दे ऐसे बस
Hello. Welcome to Yours Clueless, presented by Eclectic, where I, Anushka,
And I, Sanjana.
are here with our lovely guests, Garima, Kavya, and Vidhi. And let's start.
Okay, guys, I will start with you by asking what was your first impressions of each other? Let's go with you, Garima, first.
Okay. I was sitting on my bunk bed, like the upper bunk bed, and she came in with her family. And my first impression was, ये कितनी छोटी है. Because
How
like,
could you
from
say
the upper bunk especially, I thought she might be the sibling. But
No
turned
way,
out
bro.
that she was, I've not even told her this abhi tak. So like she came in and then they settled everything and then they left and I was like, बात तो करनी चाहिए.
Not that short.
And then we just went along. For him, his one is a very interesting one. So basically, we were in the orientation, 25th or 26th, don't remember exactly. And we were supposed to come and give our introductions at the podium, right? So me, my friends, like my roomies and everyone, we went to the podium, 6 or 7 of us, and we were talking. So there's one of my friends. She introduced herself, and later on he came and he started the convo that he had the same interests as her. So that's how our groups met. But now they don't talk, but we do. So
That's
yeah,
typical
that's
college thing.
प्योरली एकेडमिक रीजंस ये सब बोलना होता है.
Yes, we'll move on to you, Kavya.
Yeah, so my roommate Aditya, he said कि one of our friends प्रेषित उसकी किसी के साथ लड़ाई हो गई है. And मुझे लगा अच्छा लाइक कौन है देखते हैं इसे. फिर उसने कहा लड़की है. नहीं देख ही लेते हैं ठीक है. तो basically we came down to the meet circle and there was Garima and she was all standing like this. Aja. And then yeah. And then behind her a small thing was peeping out. That was Vidhi. Yeah, पीछे से ऐसे.
every time we do that.
गिरमा आ गए.
So for me, when I entered, as she said that I came with my whole family, and she was in the upper bed, and Anshika was in the lower bunk bed. And when I entered, Anshika greeted me first, and she was on the phone call. I thought, मैं आई हूँ थोड़ा कुछ मुझे impression. So it was like nothing, and then I got to know that she was on a call, and yeah, that was the first impression.
Okay. What about Kavya? Like, you're
He was like this. She saw me.
यार बहुत लंबा है ये बहुत ही लंबा है.
Okay, what do you think about each other now?
We don't.
Starting with you. No, starting with Kavya this time.
I don't think much about it. But
After this is gonna be
So, like, as a person, how do you think about them?
अब तो कुछ बोल फिर मैं देखती हूँ तेरे को.
that's why I don't think about it. Threats ही आते रहते हैं. But नहीं, they are great friends. Honestly, college life like JEE के बाद, because काफी friends से school में जब तुम JEE देते हो, तो काफी friends पास बनने लगते हैं. तो उसके बाद college में आके it's always a refreshing start जब दोस्त ऐसे मिले, like they're also having fun, सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, class में भी साथ में हैं और having fun, तो it feels very good to be with them.
Vidhi?
जब भी अभी जैसे कॉलेज में है तो पहले ऐसे फ्रेंड्स नहीं थे कि पूरा घुल मिल के साथ में रहने वाले. कभी कभी लेफ्ट आउट फील होता था, बट nowadays when I come to college I don't feel left out from my group, and सब लोग ऐसे मतलब they are like a family right now and hope so कि आगे भी ऐसा ही चलता रहे. अरे बहुत हेल्पफुल होता है वो. ऐसा खाना मंगाने नहीं थे ना गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में, तो वो गेट पर से डिलीवरी कलेक्ट करके लाके दे देता. डिलीवरी बॉयज नहीं इट्स लाइक कुछ भी होता है तो भी कॉलेज चले यार ये ऐसा हो गया कैसे करेंगे ये करना है वो करना है, अरे ये कंपटीशन आ रहा है टीम बनाएगी चल. तो दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स.
That's cute. Okay, so you guys chose some objects to represent yourselves, right? What were they?
For me, it was a feather.
उतनी ही है ना.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Okay.
Not in that sense.
Okay,
अभी हवा
it's
आने दो,
like
हवा
that.
आने दो, अभी उड़
Kavya,
जाएगी.
can you say why you think she chose a feather? You can say she
That is
chose
my
a
answer.
Don't answer the same thing. मैम हवा आने दो, हवा आने दो. वो live demo.
मैं उड़ थोड़ी ना जाऊंगी.
अरे क्या देख तो. अरे
I mean, I feel कि she thinks of herself like very delicate, a person who would be hurt by things, like sensitive to things that have been said by people closer to her, and she's sensitive to like her friends अगर कुछ खराब होता है, and that is why feather उड़ना पसंद है, like and maybe उसको लगता है कि वो सुंदर भी है, so feather.
उसको लगता है.
नहीं, that's why you chose that.
What object did you take?
Pillow.
And what did you take?
I think I
Black hole.
black hole. Yeah, black hole.
It actually, let me tell you, it was not a black hole. It was the universe.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
the
And I
universe.
want you to
He told
explain-
me black hole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said universe. So I want you to tell me why did he choose the universe?
Universe. Because why
That's
not?
the
That's,
perfect reply of Garima. Like,
I think because universe, because he's self-aware. He knows about himself. And उसका self-esteem ऐसा है कि कोई उसको हिला नहीं सकता है उस self-esteem को. And that's one of the great qualities. But मुझे इतनी तारीफ नहीं करनी इसकी. तो let's just stick to something like he's very self-obsessed. That's why universe.
That's what we wanted to hear. Okay.
And lastly, she chose a pillow, right? Why do you think she chose a pillow?
Pillow क्योंकि she is very connected to people. And जब भी उसको रोना आता है ना, she goes bunk bed पे चढ़ के फिर वो पिलो में रोती रहती है. पता भी नहीं चलता कि वो रो रही है ना. Are you crying?
नहीं. I'm crying.
So pillow is I guess the comfort and the secret comfortness she feels
Okay.
when she's
so
around her people.
we know that you guys have multiple talents. So, do you wanna like state them first? Yeah, starting with you, Garima.
My secret talent.
No, like multiple talents, whatever.
Whatever you
Not
can
like
do.
necessarily secret, but yeah, whatever you feel.
मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. मैं बस कोशिश कर रही हूँ.
झूठ बोलती है.
बस.
बहुत झूठ बोलती है.
हम बस कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो.
It's okay, you don't have to be humble. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We see all of you in multiple clubs, so just
I talk, so I'm here.
huh.
I dance, but I'm not there. I sing. No, I don't sing. I rap. So I am at places. And I
name
talk. So I'm also at
Okay, yeah.
places. And yeah. Basically, I have a creative and logical both sides. But I try to use my logical side less because that's not fascinating. Creative side more because मजा आता है.
That was a very creative answer, Garima. Let us move on to Kavya.
I mean, I like to sing, so it was written that SARS audition I sang, I got selected. I like to act, there was auditions I got selected. I don't like to dance, I didn't give audition, I didn't get selected. I mean, all due respect to dances, of course. That's great, I can't dance. But
Bapu. Garba special.
But yeah, so apart from that, I like to play sports. I went to play with seniors. I got selected. So yeah, so I was just trying it out and getting to know कि oh मेरे को ये भी आता है.
Game auditions.
मेरे को ये भी आता है.
Selected.
Yeah.
No.
हो गया तेरा? अब मैं बोलूं?
नहीं.
Game
Next,
auditions. Selected.
Yeah.
For me, I can sing, I can dance. I like to dance a lot, and I cannot act, but I can act. हाँ भी ना भी. And बैडमिंटन खेलना पसंद है. I'm still working on that. And हंस मत सारी. कुछ को खेलना नहीं आता है. शायद देखा है मैंने. चलते हैं ना इसके बारे में देखते हैं.
Please don't.
Okay, tell us about your experience, dancer.
Dance ka, I'm a professional Kathak dancer. I have like this month next month I'll be graduated in it, and 7 years of dancing.
That's really good. Impressive.
So if I told you guys you can only keep one skill from all of these for the rest of your life, what would you stick with? I will start with you first because I feel like you've told us your answer already.
Yeah. Yes, dancing.
Kavya?
Auditions.
I mean, yeah, giving auditions.
Let us move on to the next question.
I can't live without talking.
So, Garima, what is the worst rumor you have heard about yourself in this college?
Or maybe a misconception.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
You can say whatever you've heard.
Rumor. I stood for this CR thing in my class, and people, the main concept behind it was कि there was just this one girl from our class who stood for the CR thing, and I was like, competition ही नहीं दे रहा यार कोई. And then I stood up, and then I told her कि I also want to know. Then my benchmates told me कि पता है CR से ये करवाते हैं, प्रोजेक्टर चालू करवाते हैं, प्रोजेक्टर बंद करवाते हैं, पेपर्स इधर उधर करने होते हैं. तो नाम देने के बाद स्टेज पर आने तक के ड्यूरेशन में I was like, oh shit. अब क्या? I was like, say something कि students only don't select you. I was like, I'm a teacher's pet. And people remember that I am a teacher's pet करके. ठीक है, that was just to save myself, you know. So abhi bhi there are people who are here also.
So your misconception was started by yourself.
Huh.
That was very interesting. And Kavya, you told us that auditioning would be your specialty if you had to choose just one. So what if I tell you I'll give you a chance to audition right now? We have heard from people that you burst out into songs randomly. So if you would like to
Very random.
sing for us now, that would be great.
What kind of song would you like?
Anything else?
Anything you would like?
तेरे लिए.
I'll sing something. I think I can. I was just singing this Arijit Singh song today, and because I missed my first class. तू ही बता दे फिर.
Yeah, you can suggest.
And तो गाना हम change कर देंगे.
मुस्कुराने. ठीक है. क्योंकि तुम ही हो.
और क्या गाने और क्या वर्क्स वो ऑडिशन भी किया था.
ठीक है. ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया है, ओरे पिया.
I can see why.
That was another good audition for you. Yes.
I can see why you're in SAS. Okay.
तारीफ.
So,
Rare.
Vidhi,
Yes.
what is your arch nemesis?
Sorry.
Arch nemesis, like something which you cannot just avoid, but yeah, वो है अब है तो, like something you don't like, you wanna change, you think it can change, it can be changed, it should be changed.
Like in me?
No, like things around you, or maybe
Arch nemesis refers to a primary opponent or that a person is unable to overcome.
मार दे अब
Yeah,
तो
like
अब
something.
तो मार दे.
I know my vocab is weak. That doesn't mean you'll just embarrass me in front of everybody.
मार दे भाई.
I mean, he embarrassed himself too. He had to Google it too. So you're fine.
yeah.
मार दे.
I'll say yes, but I'll Google it
मार
for you.
दे.
वो भी इधर नहीं बेइज्जत हो जाएगी.
इज्जत होनी चाहिए ना, कोई बात नहीं. तू बोल ना, आर्च नेमेसिस तो बोल.
मैं भूल गई क्वेश्चन. आप वापस बोलिए.
मतलब something you'd like to change. मतलब जो तुझको
I would like to change maybe, like in myself, I would like to change that attitude I have. Hold on, na, let me
You don't have attitude.
you don't have attitude.
अरे मुझे बोलने तो दीजिए.
काहे का attitude? कहाँ है?
Do you want an example? Arch nemesis का?
हाँ हाँ.
Okay. So for me, it is like a CGPA thing. I don't believe in that because it's like very toxic. Something like that I can say. Like it favors the one who are like very like. I don't think so. If you are smart and if you have a good CGPA, come together. So I would like to change the fact uska. So what about you? Like something similar for you, something equivalent iska. कुछ है तेरे पास?
ये एजुकेशन सिस्टम मुझे समझ ही नहीं आती. Like I want to change this education system all over.
Wow, both of you just want to start a revolution here. Let me make it interesting for you.
Yeah.
You are a dancer,
Yeah.
which means you're good at expressions, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to assume you're good at impressions as well. So I will give you two options. You can either impersonate him singing or her arguing with somebody. Whatever
I
works
can
for
do
you.
that.
Yeah.
Her arguing.
तो रूम में ही आएगी उसके बाद. याद है ना?
You'll be Anshika, I'll be Garima.
नहीं. वो मारेगी, दोनों को मारेगी.
उसको मजा है. So let's suppose she's in the lower bunk bed. Garima, that's me, upper bunk bed. Anshika, Shika, सुन रही है? तू सुनती क्यों नहीं है यार?
हाँ बोल.
अरे मैं कब से आवाज लगा रही हूँ, तेरे को सुनना तो पड़ेगा ना. देखो
पढ़
मेरा,
रही
मैं
थी.
बोल तो रही हूँ.
पढ़ रही थी.
कितना पढ़ेगी? सुबह से पढ़ ही रही है. कभी मेरा भी सुन लिया कर.
तू तो बोलती ही रहेगी.
हाँ तो वो तो मेरा काम है ना, तुझे तो पता है मैं कैसी हूँ.
ये कब बोला मैंने?
You meant to that.
What?
Since मेरे को समझ में आ जाती है को रूम पे जाना है इसके बाद. So I'll proceed with the next question. What is your shared trauma from this semester?
Could be, it could be a batchmate, it could be a professor.
So-
Without naming names, please.
Yeah, please don't use names.
Makes sense.
Can you elaborate?
No, I don't think
No.
so. Who among you do you think has the most unintentional riz?
गरम.
हाँ क्यों?
Just accept this at this point.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma'am also agrees with me.
She's my wifey.
I'm not sure if we can air this.
No, I think you're very progressive with this. Congratulations.
नहीं नहीं, I'm 100%. But
Okay.
No comments on this.
अरे क्या no comments नहीं, comments है 100% like this, but
Now let us move on to the next section of our podcast. Who is most likely to आगे की questions पूछूंगी मैं. So you just have to point जिस पे भी you think is the right person for this. Okay. So the first question is, who is most likely to start a cult?
Yeah, I think we were expecting that too.
Yeah.
अरे
Next is
Good
who
power
is
apples.
who is most likely to sleep through an 8 a.m. class?
likely to? Likely to? Who does?
This morning is 11 o'clock.
9 a.m.
I
class,
agree.
10 a.m. class.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. Who is most likely to ditch the friend group for someone they like?
What?
None of us would do that. We'll get that person into the friend group. कि तू आ,
और अगर वाइब मैच नहीं हुई तो कोई बात नहीं.
जबरदस्ती करा देंगे.
We did ask someone outside this group, and Kavya was the answer, actually.
I would ditch.
Yeah.
They said none of you would do it, but then if somebody had to, it would be you. What do you think about that?
Would you?
Who do you think would have said that?
If I would have been thinking about people like that,
अरे नहीं नहीं, वो सही आदमी नहीं था.
नहीं मैं तो ditch कर दूंगा. मैं तो कर ही दूंगा.
तुझे डिच में हम कर देंगे.
मैं तो कर ही दूंगा.
ठीक है भाई.
Who is most likely to say they flunked an
आखिर
exam?
गरीबाज नहीं.
ठीक है भाई.
Have you heard that?
ठीक है.
You know what?
ठीक है भाई.
I'm going to ignore you now. Who is most likely to say they flunked an exam but actually get good grades after that?
Definitely. I am uneducated.
Shut up, you're not uneducated.
I am uneducated.
Oh, stop it.
अरे मेरी क्लास वालों से पूछ लो.
Who's like most likely to keep the most important, like gatekeep the most important questions or the notes for exam?
मेरी रूम में है वो.
It's मैंने भी मुझे बोला मैं किसी और को बोल देती हूँ. नहीं, it's so late.
मैं लिखती ही नहीं. मैं अलग सेक्शन.
But then we got to know through our sources कि it was you who would have done this.
अरे एक अनजान सा इंसान from my class came and just says गर्मा मेरे को ये भेज दियो. Like आप कौन? अब मैं क्यों भेजूं? कैसे भेजूं भी क्यों? कैसे तो बात की बात है. तो वैसे इंसान को कौन भेजेगा? अब मेरे दोस्त पूछा या जिन्होंने कभी मुझसे जीवन में बात तो की हो उनको तो भेज भी दूंगा. अब तो लिखना ही बंद कर दिया. मिड सेम के बाद कुछ काम नहीं आता. पढ़ाते कुछ है, देते कुछ है.
Who's most likely to never admit to their mistakes?
नहीं, actually none of us.
ये बीच में humble मत हो जाओ, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा
Admit their mistakes.
अभी नहीं आ जाता है कभी कभी बाहर, but
see for example संजना,
Really?
like एक तो है स्टेज पे.
Okay, fine. I will. Yeah. So if I own up to it, who's gonna?
Yeah, please,
Come on.
we need.
Mistakes? अरे नहीं, हम तो कल ही लड़े सब सॉरी कर रहे थे.
Because you won't believe it, Kavya, but we did ask somebody, and we got two different names this time. None
Yeah,
of them
we
would
asked
agree.
two people.
I really like this part of the story. Love it.
Who did you ask?
We asked a lot of people.
मुझे
We have our
तो
sources.
लग रहा है. मुझे लग रहा है.
The thing is,
मुझे लग रहा
एक
है.
second.
I know who will they ask.
नहीं.
I need opinions.
I mean,
Opinions.
क्या इधर को देख रही है?
There should be reasons for behind
नहीं.
these
यार यहाँ
opinions.
पे एक ही इंसान है जो इतना बता सकता है.
नहीं देखो.
I love the
Depend
script
करता-
writer.
अरे see
love
it
the
depends on किसके सामने गलती एडमिट करने की बात की जा रही है. So like माना कि हाँ there are a group of people who are friends, okay, but सबके सामने ऐसा कनेक्शन नहीं होता, right? So you wouldn't say हाँ sorry या something like that, like you know actually वैसा हम तीनों अब तो मैं बोलूंगी हम तीनों में we won't have that thing कि मेरी गलती तेरी गलती. बाहर वालों के सामने तो तेरी ही गलती है. तू ही है वो.
Now let us move on to the last question. One moment in the last 3 months that made you think, yes, this is my look.
Oh shit. One
Moment like when you finally
One
realized,
नहीं
like
है.
okay, when you finally realized, like यही है जो है अब 4 साल, at least अभी तक के लिए.
मैंने बताया था ना कभी सोच के कि भाई ये मोमेंट था.
मतलब one day I was very hungry and out of the blue they got me fried rice because they went to the town.
फ्राइड राइस नहीं था वो, शिफा
noodles.
नूडल्स था.
अच्छा था. तो that was thinking okay सोचते हैं मेरे बारे में आप लोग, तो that was it.
Really? How was your experience?
खट्टा मीठा मसालेदार.
खट्टा.
Kavya.
मस्त.
ये एकदम नॉनचलेंट की एक्टिंग नहीं चली यहाँ पे.
नहीं मस्ती था, मतलब
5-6 लाइन बोलना पड़ेगा देखो.
क्वेश्चंस बहुत अच्छे थे. स्क्रिप्ट राइटर से मिलूंगा मैं एक बार.
मैं
How would
ही थी,
you-
मैं
Yeah.
यही
it
थे
was.
जो थे.
Great part of that script में वाला.
So
How would you rate your hosts on a scale of 1 to 10? 11?
11.
Yes. And you, Garima?
I was pressurized to think quickly. And then I was told bye. But okay, amazing. Abhi I can do this for 1 or 2 hours. Amazing. Like loved it.
Club heads ना. Club members, senior members.
अरे नहीं, amazing.
ऐसा लग रहा है जबरदस्ती बिठा के बुलवाया गया इंटरव्यू से. तुम बोलो नहीं तुम इसके बाद जाओ.
अरे नहीं, crazy था. Actually crazy था. Would want to do this again and again. सबको करना चाहिए. Crazy था.
क्या करना चाहिए?
टकाटक.
सबको करना चाहिए. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much guys.
We would like to thank हमारे पीछे के कैमरामैन.
Second.
And
बैकएंड हमारा बहुत अच्छा था.
sources.
Sources.
से तो मैं personally. 2 minutes घूमने आ.